Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, More Reviews. Today we'll be taking a drive in Constant Spring Road. We'll be looking at the progress of Constant Spring Road renovation. This is a drive-in video, just giving you guys a perspective from a driver's point of view. But before we do that, we just take a quick drive around the Manor Park Plaza, and then we head on Constant Spring Road just to see the progress of the roadwork. So take a ride with me, or take a drive with me. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe so that you can see more content like this. Subscribing is completely free. Definitely like this video, leave a comment in terms of what you think about the road work as well, and definitely share the video so that more persons can see. So Manor Park Plaza, and then we'll be going on Constant Spring Road. We have Payless, Digicel, Island Grill, Domino's, First Caribbean Bank, Rapid True Value. So a lot of business places on this plaza. Alright, so now we are heading on to Constant Spring Road. Alright, so we'll filter in the extreme right lane so we can go around and look at the bus park that they have made to accommodate the buses. And then we'll drive down Constant Spring Road to Halfway Tree direction. So they have stoplight here in front, being fully operated or in operation, and they have basically finished the bridge. So the bridge is 2 lanes. So now this traffic is going back around to go back on Constant Spring Road. See, they're still doing some sidewalk work, and then this right turn will lead you into the parking area to accommodate the buses and taxis. So all along this right side here are bus lanes. So stoplight coming up to filter the traffic. We see the sign there for Narbrook, Constant Spring Road, Stony Hill. Then we're at another stoplight. Alright, so we'll be going down Constant Spring Road now. So we see final layer of asphalt is on Constant Spring Road. We see over to the right where the Constant Spring Market was. Not sure what's gonna be the final plan for over there. But if you guys know what's gonna go on the former Constant Spring Market grounds, you guys can let me know in the comment section. We just passed Manor Center on the right. So lots of stoplight on the road to manage the flow of the traffic. So right here they're still doing some work to improve the sidewalks, especially for the students. So that's what they're working on. So we're in the vicinity of the Immaculate Conception High. We have the post office, Constant Spring Post Office and Tax Office on the right. And then coming up ahead we have a plaza that will be open shortly, that is being worked on. So that's directly in front of me now. We thought it would have been open for Christmas, but I guess in the early 2020 it will be opened. So this is a new plaza on the left. There's a previous video on my channel for that plaza with a more detailed look. realize as well there's a lot of stoplights, especially at the crossing, so persons will be able to press the button and cross. So there's a lot of opening in the dividing wall, which will allow persons to be able to cross the road. The stoplights are not yet operational. I think they'll be doing something similar on Agri Park Road as well, in terms of the pedestrian crossing and the stoplight. Alright, so we're reaching closer to Half a Tree. Passing the Shartwood Road intersection. So again, these are some of the stoplights for the pedestrian crossing, which would allow them to press a button and be able to cross. Alright, so Manor Park to Dunrobin via Constant Spring Road, just showing you guys from a driver's perspective the update to the road, what's happening on the road. See, there's not a lot of traffic. So share your thoughts, guys, share your views, let me know what you think about the roadworks, and see you on that next video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Remember to like and share the video and leave a comment.